Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Apple Store unable to download app error. So first you need to check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection is causing the problem. Next, you have to make sure you have enough free storage on your iPhone. For that, you need to go to Settings, then General, and check your iPhone storage. And if you're on low space, remove apps or files you no longer need. Next, close the App Store and open it again. You can also try restarting your iPhone and downloading the app one more time. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple account and check whether your payment or billing information needs attention. And if the problem continues, check Apple's system status page to see whether the App Store is experiencing an outage. So those are the main ways to fix App Store download errors. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.